how to create Instagram post with text. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, simply launch your Instagram and then tap on this plus icon. Select story, tap on this drop down menu and tap on create. Here you can write or anything you want like this. You can also change background, font, and add stickers or add music. And just like this, you can create Instagram post with text. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.